Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This is the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so that you get notified each time I upload a new content. It's been a while now. I have been uploading few videos due to the fact that I don't just upload video anyhow, and I look at what people are passing through. A lot of people are blowing their account, and I am out as WINFX training to help you people recover your losses in the VIP signal channels and other groups. We have M5 drop and drop buy now. You can actually take the advantage of the promo running on right now. The promo will actually expire in it started yesterday. It's gonna expire in 24 hours, which is today. Okay, so that is, by the way, we are taking $1 to $11,000 plus in drop buy now, and $1 to $5,000 plus in M5 drop. Today's topic we shall be discussing about point option theory in financial markets and market synthetic. I'm going to take you to the chart to show you this theory working in action. Okay, there are a few points you are going to be looking at on this point action theory. The first element in the point action theory is that the only profitable signal, the only sure but fixed 100% profitable signal is a signal synthesized from the current part of the price action without considering any other parts. The most profitable but fixed signal is the signal you got on the current part without considering any other part. Okay. Another theory is that signal at junctions are invalid because the market is unpredictable. Like the market is stationary, even though it is making some movement, it is financially stationary at those junction. Any signal generated at junction is likely going to be a loss. Is likely going to be less than 100% fixed. Signal generated outside a junction, but in the current path, in the right direction of the path, is going to have the highest momentum, highest energy, and maximum profit. Now, this is a junction. This is a node or a junction. A junction is also a node. Reason because price came here and it started reversing. Now, a lot of people will wait as this price falls and they will buy here. Now, that's what you call infinitesimal. A small change in price is called infinitesimal because it is the smallest change in price that will give rise to the major move, like to infinity movement in the price. You see, the only change that actually happened here is this. The market buy with this amount of P, and you see, this is nothing compared to the future of the price action. It's nothing compared to what happened there. What really happened here? You discover the price pushed down by 10 times of that change. Are you getting it? So a lot of people will lose because they are considering this junction and they want to generate signal based on this junction, like with a belief that since here price used to reverse and therefore they are going to reverse this market. That is a psychological reversal and it's going to be a loss because it has been like that. Now, the only key way that point action theory will help is at any point draw a zone of significant weight like this one I draw, that will contain all the weights within such zone, within the vicinity you are trying to draw it. you see, if you can cover as much with both, you can cover as much with rejection as possible, both up and down, and then you're actually waiting to see how prices are placing, and are playing inside the zone and outside the zone. If there is a structure, below the zone that signals that signals downtrend, like at least we need to swing point to confirm, like to believe it's going to trend down. If you have such structure, you will be selling. But above the zone, if you have a structure that is making the uptrend, like it has two major swing that is making higher high above the zone, then you are going to buy on a third swing. The same thing for down, for below the zone, you are going to sell at the third swing. See, these are secret. You are not actually going to look at parts, the previous part. All those parts are dead, like they have zero potentials, they are no longer active, they are dead, like they are just there to confuse you. What is happening right now on the market is what will help, like the current part. You need to look on the current part and do your analysis. Take for instance, this market is flowing along this path, which it have stopped flowing and create a measure length. It creates a measure length, and that length is against the previous path direction. You see that this market create, I'm using M30 time frame, this market creates a measure length that reaches here, and now it is going up. If you want to produce signal here, look at where the current price is, look at possible wicks in that vicinity, cover the wicks in that vicinity. Now I have covered the wicks in this vicinity. Now I'm going to wait for price to break this or this. Then I'm going to wait for structures like for here, something that will go like this, and waiters, and something that will go like this and wake up. Only this structure alone will tell me that this market is going up, and I'm waiting for the third swing. This is the first swing, second swing. I'm waiting for third retest. I'm going to buy. Now if this market actually break here, the lower part, and start like doing something like this, and then going like this, and then pushing down like this, you are going to be selling. It's very like tedious, it's very stressful because you need to wait. Okay, I will give you one key idea. You can actually make more money if you join our VIP, because it is done for your services, and we are dedicated on monitoring the price action. You, of which you cannot be able to have such skill to be monitoring price. We have a lot of laptops, a lot of devices, so you have to join VIP and change your life. It doesn't matter where you are from. All you need is to make your payment. There is no restriction of country in our VIP. All you need is to make payment and join. Right now, I told you in the beginning of this video, we are running a promo like that will last in 24 hours. That is today. So we are running 50% discount on M5 drop and drop by enough, and every other product we offer, like margin signals on the MT5, the margin signal on the MT5, those ones we are not giving discount on those ones. Okay, we take $1 to $11,000 plus on the drop by enough, and $1 to $6,000 plus on the M5 drop. Change your life. Okay, thank you, stay tuned, bye for now.